Welcome to We Global Women Inspirational Leader Series. So, what were the initiatives that you took in MTBL, which which helped you achieving these prestigious awards?
See, first of all, what we try to do, we try to bring in, we try to have more women in the workforce. That's one thing we try to do. Other thing is that we also try to have people with challenges as well. That's what we try to do. Then also in terms of uh, lending, we through the small medium enterprise, we try to give loans to the absolutely bottom end of the pyramid. Like in one of the cases, we have given loan to about I think 479 maize farmers in Lanmonirhat, absolutely remote place, Shanaz. You cannot reach there. I can tell
My
you
God.
it is very difficult because they have to cross miles and in between they have water bodies as well. So sometimes you have to swim or you have to take a walk through the water bodies and only then you can reach to the town. That's how far they live. That's how far they are basically living their life. So that's what we have done. What we have done, we have given 60 million taka to 479 farmers to raise maize, which basically uses a feed for raw material for uh, cow feed or poultry feed. So that's what it is. So we have lent that money. And I tell you, Shahnaz, with pride and also it's also a very pleasant surprise. We got all the money back
Really?
in
So
less
that,
than 6 months' time. We got all the money back. So that's what it is. So that's what we have been trying to do. We have, like as per central bank circular, we have tried to sort of get a cluster. Like it could be a cluster where they're only doing silk. It could be cluster. There's something like only doing the weaving. So this is how we're trying to do, and we're trying to bring people who do not have access to sort of finance. We're trying to bring them. We're partnering with a number of fintech companies so that we can go and lend like $1,000, like 50,000 taka, 70,000 taka, 80,000 taka, the smallest amount. So you can reach the people who really need money. So that's what we were doing. So in our bank, our motto is basically one is diversifying the portfolio
sure.
so that your risks get more granular. At the same time, you also need to reach at the bottom end who do not have access to finance. So these are the few things we have started doing. We in many cases, like as I said, we are partnering with fintech companies because for us it is not possible to reach to the bottom. Number one, and also at the
Absolutely.
same time we don't have data. It's very
Mm.
important.
Yes,
And also,
absolutely.
also at the same time, you need to also, I think you'll appreciate you had been a banker as well, because nowadays we really can't, because that particular customers need a lot of supervision,
Mm.
small customer. But the rate at which you're lending money, so it's like one size fits all. The rate we are charging to customer wholesale, the same rate we are charging to the small enterprise as well. So in this case, while we cannot stay away from the small customers or cottage customer, cottage micro small, but we need to reach them. That is
Sure.
why we need to find avenues so that how we can reach these customers. So we have identified few fintech partners through whom we are trying to reach them. So in the process, we are also having inclusivity as well. While in terms of uh, uh, that manpower that you have, HR that you have, we are trying to have diversity, but at the same time, we are doing this. We are also looking now at transgender group as well
Oh, I see.
for giving loan.
Hmm.
So this is also diversity we are bringing in at the same
Absolutely.
time. We are also being inclusive in terms
Hmm.
of uh, uh, taking the economy forward.